everyone. So today we'll be learning how to find the LCM. Okay, now two numbers 12 and 15 are given. So vertically you have to arrange them 12 comma 15. Okay, take the least prime number which is divisible by both 2. 2 is divisible by 12, it is not divisible by 15, then 2 will take 2. Okay, 2 6 times is 12. Since 15 is not divisible by 2, I will bring down as it is. Okay, then again 2 3 is 6, 15 is not divisible, so I'll keep it as it is. Then I'll take 3 because none of the number is divisible by 2 now. So 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Okay, lastly I cannot take 3 here, so I'll take 5. 1 as it is, here also 1 as it is. So your LCM is the product of these numbers, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. What is the product? 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the product of 12 and 15 is 60. Okay, second one I'll take 6 8 10. Okay, here the least common multiple. Children, the full form of LCM is least common multiple. Okay, so 6 8 10. If I do this, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now can I take 2? Yes, because one number is still divisible by 2. So I'll take 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is. Okay, then again I'll take 2, 3 as it is, 1s are 2 and 5 as it is. Now I cannot take 2, I'll take 3, 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is. Now I cannot take 2 or 3, I will take 5. So 5 1 1 1. Your working is over. So your LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s is 120. So this is how you find the least common multiple. Third one, children, 18 and 32. 18 and 32. Now 2 9 times, 2 16 times, 2 9 as it is, 8s are 16. Okay, I can still take 2 9 as it is, 4s are 2 9 2 2 9 1. Okay, now you might be asking, why cannot I straight away take here 8 ones are? No, you are not allowed, because you cannot take composite numbers here. You are only allowed to take the prime numbers here. Okay, then I'll take 3. Even though it will be 3 into 3 9 here, I cannot write 9 ones are. Okay, so you have to take prime numbers. 3 3s are 9, 1 3 ones are and ones are. So your LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, you know 5 times 2, children, it is 32. You can multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. What is 32 3 times? 32 3 times is 96. Okay, and what is 96 3 times? 96 3 times is, I'll write 270 plus 27. It is 96 3 times. It is 288. Okay, so your LCM is 288. Okay, next one. The LCM of 10, 15 and 20. We'll take the smallest number 2. Okay, 2 5s are 15 as it is, 10s are. Still I can take 2, 2 5 as it is, 15 as it is, 5s are. Okay, now I'll take 3 because this number is divisible by 3, 5 as it is, 5s are, and 5 as it is. So here I'll take now 5, 1 1 1. Okay, so LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Okay, so LCM of these three numbers is 60. We have to find the LCM of 45 and 86. So here I can take 2. This is 4s are 3s are 45 and 43 we have now. So here I have to take, this is number is divisible by 3. 3 15s are, okay, 43 you know it is prime number, so in last we'll take 43 ones are. Okay, then what about this 3 5s are, this as it is, this is 5 ones are, 43 as it is, and now we have only 43. 43 is a prime number, so ones are and ones are. Okay, so our LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 43. So what is this? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s is 90, 90 into 43, 43 90. Okay, 0 will put later, this is 0, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 plus 2, it is 3870. Okay, this is the LCM of these two numbers. So 50, 30 and 90, we have to find the LCM. So I'll take 2, 15 are 30, 15 as it is, and this is 45. Can I take 2 again now? No, all the numbers are odd. So I'll take 3. 5s are 15, 5s are 15, and this is 15 times. 15 3s is 45. Then can I take 3 again? Yes, 3. This is 5 comma 5. This is also 3 5s are 15. Now what can I take? 5. 1s are, 1s are and 1s are. So very easy. Your LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. 90 is the LCM. Okay. So the LCM of 105 and 195. Can I take 2 here? No, because both are odd. Can I take 3 here? Yes, this total is 6. Let us see what is the total of this. 15. So both are divisible by 3. 3 3s is 9. 1 remains. 3 5s are 15. Here 3 6 is 18. 1 remains. 3 5s are 15. Now if you see their total, both are not divisible by 3. So I'll take 5. Both are divisible by 5. 5 7s are and 5 13s are. You know 13 5s is 65. So now 7 1s is 7. 13 as it is. 13 again is a prime number. So 13 1s are 13. So our LCM is 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. Let us see the product. 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105, 105 into 13. I'll do it here. 105 into 13. 13 5s are 65. 13 1s are 13. So it is 1 3 6 5. Okay. Next. Ninth one says we have to find the LCM of 63 and 81. Not divisible by 2. So divisible by 3. Yes, both are divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1s are 3. This is also 3 2s are 6, 2 remains, 3 7s are 21. Again both are divisible by 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27. One number is still divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9. This is still divisible by 3, 7 as it is, 3 1s are 3. Now 7 1s are and 1s are. So your LCM is 4 times 3 and 1 times 7. What is the product? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, and 81 7 times. It is 567. Okay children, the next one is 18 36 and 27. I'll take 2 first, 2 9s are, 2 18s are, and 27 as it is. I can still take 2 9 as it is, 2 9s are, and this is 27. Okay, then I'll take 3 3 3s are, 3 3s are, 3 9s are. Then I'll again take 3 1s are, 1s are, and 3s are. Okay, again 3 1 1, and this is also 1. So I got the factors, that is 2 times 2 and 3 times 3. So what is it? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 3 times is 108. Okay. Now before we start question 2, we have to learn a very important property that says GCD multiplied by LCM is the product of given numbers. Okay, let me explain you with the help of an example. Suppose I have number 10 and 40. Okay, what will be the GCD? GCD is the other name of HCF. Both have the same meaning, highest common factor or greatest common divisor, one and the same. So 10 and 40. Now if I find its LCM, 2 5s are 220, 2 5 as it is 10, 5 5 5 1 1. So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 5s are 40. Okay, let us go for GCD. 10 2 5 5 1. Okay, and 40 2 20 2 10 2 5 5 1. So highest common factor is 2 into 5 I can take, so that is 10. Okay, if you see these numbers, if I multiply them, I'll get 400. Okay, and if you see these two numbers, if I multiply HCF and LCM, I'll again get the same, that is 400. Okay, so the any given numbers you multiply will be the same as the multiplication of their GCD and LCM. Okay, so we'll start with question number 2. We have to first find its LCM and HCF. So I'll go for LCM first. 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, and 2 1. 37 is prime, so I'll take straight away 37. Okay, so LCM is 5 times 2, that means 32 into 37. Okay, what is the LCM? 32 and 37. Let us multiply. 7 to the 14, 22, 6, 9. It is 1184. Now let us check the HCF. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, and 37. It is only 37 ones are. So your HCF is 1. Okay, so it is very easy. If I multiply LCM into HCF, I'll get 1184 into 1, which is equal to 1184. Okay, and product of two numbers, 32 into 37 is also 1184. Okay, so we have proved this. Okay, then the second number is 46 and 51. Let us find its LCM. I'll take 2. 23s are 51 not divisible. I cannot take 2. I can take 3 here. 17s are, okay, I cannot take 2 or 3 directly. Both are prime numbers, so I'll take 17 ones are and 23 ones are. So our LCM is 2 into 3 into 17 into 23. 2 3s are 6, 17 6 are 102. 102 multiplied by 23. 23 2s are 46, 23 ones are 23. So it is 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Now we will find the HCF. 46, 2, 23, 23, 1. 51. 3, 17, 17, 1. You can see there is nothing common, so HCF is 1. Okay. Now very simple. I'll do LCM into HCF. That is equal to 2346 into 1, which is 2346, and the product of numbers 46 into 51. If you see your children, 23 2s is 46 and 17 3s is 51. So we are actually multiplying all these 4 numbers. So it is going to be 2346. So both are correct. Okay. Then third one says we have to find the LCM of 15 and 60. I'll take 2 first. 30. Again 2 I can take. This is 15. Now I have to take 3. 5s are 5s are and 5 1s are 1s are. So our LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 5 3 are 15, 4s are 60. Okay. Then HCF. 15, 3, 5, 5, 1 and 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. You can see the HCF or the common factor is 15. So I'll write LCM into HCF is equal to 60 into 15. Okay. You can see here I am getting this 60 into 15. So it is 900. Okay. Which is equal to product of two numbers. 15 into 60, which is also equal to 900. So this property is correct. Okay. Then children, we have 18 and 63. So 2 I can take, 2 9s are 63 as it is. Now I cannot take 2, so I'll take 3. 3 3s are 3 21s are 3 1s are 3 7s are. Which number I'll take now? 7. 7 1s are 7 1s are. So our LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 7s are. What is 18 7s are? It is 126. Okay. Then we have HCF 18. 2 9 3 3 and 3 1. What about 63? 63 is 3 21 3 7 7 1. Okay. Now HCF, you can see 2 times 3 here and here also. So HCF is 9. Let us multiply LCM into HCF. That is 126 into 9. What is 126 into 9? 1260 minus 26. Okay, so it is 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's 1134. Okay, and if I multiply product of numbers, so I'll get 18 into 63. Okay, and if you multiply this, okay, so you will get again 1134. Okay, which is same. Then okay, so now we have the last one, 78 and 104. So I'll take 2 39. This is 52. Again I can take 2 39 as it is. This is 26. Again I can take 2 39 as it is. This is 13. Now I can take 13, or I can take 3. 3 13s are and 13 as it is. Now it is very simple. Okay, so our LCM is 3 times 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. What is 24 into 13? 24 into 13 is 240 plus 72. That is 312. Now let us find the HCF. 239, 2 3 13 and 13 ones are. And you have here 104, 252, 226, 213 and 13 ones are. So you can see your HCF here is 213 and 213. So it is 26. Okay, now if I write LCM into HCF equals to 312 into 26, that is equal to, so that if you multiply you will get 8112. Okay, and here also the product of numbers, that is 78 into 104. Okay, you will get as 8112. So both are equal. Okay, with this we come to the end of practice set 13. Goodbye children, good luck.